Zante Street in the daytime vs at nighttime. This is the day. And this is the night.
What's going on, YouTube?
Well, yeah, this is the...
Oh gosh. Hi.
Now you can see the nightlife in here. It's a lovely place to have a dinner out. I'm not sure about prices, guys, but it actually says in here it's very expensive, by the way. Chicken stew in tomato sauce, it's 10 euros. Pizza margherita, 8 euros. That's going to be the very same as in England. It actually can be more expensive, to be honest, than even in England. Yeah. If you are a party person and you want to get drunk and having lots of mates, friends, then this is the place. When it's a music, guys, I'm not going to talk because of the copyright. I'm worried. Right, here is the next club. I'm gonna stop talking. Hope you can see in the dark.
You can tell, but... Dat is het same night from a goal.
It's a traditional Greek dance. The next is called Players, and it's a big club.
Oh, really?
Clubbing area, which I showed you now, that one is something maybe you are really interested. Oh, there was a cat, by the way, crossing the road.
Yeah, for beginners. Yeah, for beginners.
Nice.
Imagine these people here sleeping. They never sleep, by the way. Let me tell you this, guys, on this street here, basically, you can get a live. Yeah, well, somebody just threw this card here. So you can get live strip show. It's, oh my god, it's starting, looks like 11 o'clock. And there is a security guy. I'm not gonna go near because I don't really want they drag me in. And I think you need to pay entrance, of course. This is why the guy is waiting there. This is the live strip show. Looks like Paris Hilton, by the way, on that picture. I'm not sure if it's her, but looks blonde, and face is really same. It might be Paris Hilton live strip show in here. We never know. Check this out, guys. You know how much is a horse ride? I spoke yesterday with somebody, and the horse ride is only 10 minutes. It was 10 euros. It's very expensive. Cheeky Tickies Cocktail Bar Club. Oh my god, what the names in here.
I'm the best cook.
By the way, about British guys, when you point them camera, they not hesitate really. They do like it, and of course they do something cheeky for you.
Hey.
Right, the guy said to me now, he said I need to ask permission to be in my video. It's a Majestic. This is where I'm staying. Now we're gonna go to the other side. By the way, here is many gypsy people. It's an original Greek gypsy, and they are on the streets begging for money. I met one girl, she was really sweet. I gave her €1 and she was really happy. Am I recording? Yes, I do. actually really busy area in here, this big boys area. Because here is the pizza and the burgers. Of course, your favorite. Look at this horse. Horse is amazing. Oh, car nearly killed me here. Look at this horse, so beautiful. Again, music coming up, guys. I have to be really careful. Guys, it's a madness in here. Really, I'm telling you this. Anywhere you go in here is the clubs and party. It's crowded in here. And oh my god. Did you see that little girl? Well, this is the gypsy girl, okay? And the gypsy girl is very rude. Well, I met yesterday the gypsy girl, which was a nice girl. She had no issues. She was so sweet. This is why I gave her a €1. This one said that I can't say much. Right, so this is, I think, is the end. Here you can get so many different ice creams, by the way. It's very nice. Finally, it's peace and quiet in here now. Look at this alley in here. Look like a bit dark and suspicious. one more. It's called Sin City Bar Club, by the way. It's a club area as well, which is good. You wanna say hi? So, people in here, when they, as I said to you, when they see the camera, they think they want to show something to you, you know, they want to show off. Well, at least they give me permission to film. Very Greek here, very Greek. Very nice. All white and look traditional, you know, very beautiful. Nice area. By the way, this way we're going to the beach, but that's gonna be in another episode, I think. I think that's it for nightlife. How long I've been filming? I think it's a long video, guys, for you. You've seen everything. I don't think we need to add anything else in here. I hope you've seen in the dark, because I don't know this camera if it films good in the dark. Here is actually in a nightlife, here is everything for everybody. For older people, for teenagers, for 20s, for 30s, for everybody. Here is these bars, pubs, clubs. So yeah, I've been invited now to the one Greek live music. I might go there. So yeah, I just gonna get the horse, take me to the Greek pub. And from now, guys, I'm just going to end this video. And don't forget to hit the button, okay? I'm not saying that often. By the way, yes, police in here is riding very often, which is very good. I do like that, because before, yesterday, I never seen any police here, but now I can see. Maybe because it's in my mind, so yeah. Okay, guys, I gonna sign off from Zante, nightlife, pubs and clubs, party and get drunk. Bye-bye.